All right, one of the other little updates I'm going to give you on this 2019 Tacoma, these things didn't come with a gas cap holder. So if you look at this, look at that. Potential to scratch your new truck. I don't know why Toyota didn't give us a gas cap holder, but they didn't. So MESO Customs came out with this, they call it a Gasshole. And this fits right here, and that allows you or enables you to put your gas cap in that hole and keep it from scratching the side of your paint. And all that's going to require is removing this screw. And this has a little notch here where it fits right into the existing framework of the gas cover. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and just show you how it's done and how that works. All right, so there you have it. Now you have a gas cap holder, and the gas cap will no longer dangle. Now you have a place to put your gas cap when you're getting gas. Cool little thing, cheap upgrade. Cheap little mod that you can do. Takes about 5 minutes, that's all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and just remember, I'm just a man in a cave causing mayhem. Thanks again for watching.